How to add background photo when sharing a feed post to your Insta story. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add a background photo when sharing a feed post to your Instagram story. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Instagram. Head over to your feed and select a post that you want to share in your Instagram stories. So I'll just select this one right here. And after you've selected a post, what you'll need to do is tap on the share icon and then tap on add to story. After you've done that, you will see your post right here. And then if you want to add a background photo to this very post, what you'll need to do is tap on this icon. That is your different stickers icon. And after you do that, you'll need to choose the photo option right here. Tap on photo and then select a photo that you want as your background. I'll just select this one right here, and all I now need to do is zoom in so that it looks good. Now long press on it and you'll see the layers. If you just swipe down, it will just change layers and it will go to the background. Now you can just select your post and align it as you want, and there you go. Now you have a background. Now you can add it to your story. And that is how you can add a background photo to your story. And that is basically all. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.